now we are cutting across to a breaking input. A 35-year-old woman was actually killed and her 9-year-old son was seriously injured during the premiere of Pushpa 2, The Rule, at a theatre in Hyderabad yesterday. Now, the incident took place at Hyderabad's Sandhya Theatre as massive crowds thronged the venue to catch a glimpse of the film's lead actor Allu Arjun. Chaos erupted outside the theatre when the fans surged to see the actor, who had arrived with the music director Devi Sri Prasad for the screening. These are the latest inputs that we are tracking from the ground. Now, tragic incident occurred during the premiere of Pushpa 2, The Rule, in Hyderabad, as a woman lost her life and her son was critically injured in a stampede-like situation. Let's go live to Swastika once again for more details on this heartbreaking situation. Swastika, over to you.
Well, yes, Sandhya Theatre is where we are reporting from to get you a ground situation. This was yesterday at the premiere show. In fact, like I was telling you, Kuhina, lakhs of fans had gathered. At that time, in the theatre itself, there were thousands of fans who had got the word that Allu Arjun was visiting this place, and that's why everybody, right from children, women, elderly citizens, everyone came here in a bid to catch a glimpse. But unfortunately, that triggered a stampede-like situation. And let me explain why. That's because look at the space of this theatre. This is very small. The space is restricted, and at the same time, the crowd management was extremely poor. The police personnel that you see right now here were not the kind of bandobast that we saw yesterday. As a result, the cops could not control the crowd. The crowd was also, there was a massive frenzy over here, and in that melee of things, there were many tragic sights that came to the fore. One woman passed away. She died in the stampede. She succumbed to her injuries. Her family members too have sustained injuries, and there were also visuals of one child, in fact, falling unconscious and then being rushed to the hospital. But just take a look at the craze over here. That incident has certainly not deterred the spirits of other fans here. You can see the kids here getting their guns and then doing the hook step of Pushpa. So many women, working personnel perhaps taking leaves and offs to watch the movie over here at the Sandhya Theatre.
Right, Swastika, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. And with that, Pushpa 2 is breaking all sorts of records. We hope you get your tickets soon, before the crowds do. Now, but at the moment, we are slipping into a very short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more news and updates on the other side of this segment.